Well, hello and welcome to another Why Does It Always Rain on Me? Is it because I lied when I was 17 vandal vlog? And in today's video we're going to fill up the pig. And no, that's not my bike. We got a lot going on in here. This is stuff that I picked up last night. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but this is my third load from yesterday. So yesterday morning I went into the yard with a load. We got 2 more loads and then we got a third one. So I'm going to top this up. Somewhere in there you can just about see one of them. There's 2 boilies in there and a pile of copper pipe. There's some of it. So yeah. So the plan is to snake my way towards Greg's to get my breakfast. And Musa. It's alright, everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. So we're gonna yeah, we're going to Scrapyard. Let's just go to Scrapyard, shall we? Let's go and see what we can find in the trash. Damn van. So I got the cooker from the other day. Guys, can I take the fridge doors or what? Are they okay? I need to ask at the yard. Can you guys remind me to ask at my scrapyard whether I can take the fridge doors? And I need to remember to take the racks out. Shout out to whoever it was in the comment section that reminded me. Right, let's go and see what we can find. There's nothing in there, it's glass. Some kind of monitor. Shut up, man. Woo. I haven't got my windbreaker on, so it might be a bit windy. Just monitoring the situation. Nah. The butcher's an ear pick. Nose down. Stuff it. Please open, please open. Welcome to my life. There was a microwave there for a second. So we've got more rubbish over there. And they've been fly tipping again. come on, love, didn't you see me? Shot logs. Oh, yes. Check cord. Well, we're on the trail. This is my little local area here. Oh, nice golf. PD 130. Hello, Betty. Oh, a bit cleaner than mine. What that is, I'll have to have a look on the way back. It was there yesterday as well. Looks a bit plasticky though. Can't believe how this area has just dried up. It's kind of crazy. I used to come around here every single night on my bike and I always found something, even washing machines. Good luck getting out on a bike. Bloody trolleys. Toilet seat. I don't want a toilet seat. Good thing about a little van, you can get in all the nooks and crannies. I just wish my steering wasn't so mullered. Jeez. Oh, arm work out. I haven't had enough of them lately. Did I say geesh again? Is it sheesh? Sheesh, isn't it? I like geesh. I'm saying geesh. I'm just going with it. That's how I roll. Just making it up as I go along. You know? That's what I'm like. What is that thing? Oh, it's just a flipping tampon bin, isn't it? That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. It's a Tampax box. Right. Let's go and find somewhere else then, shall we? Look what I've just found. Question is, can I get it in the blinking van? Where there's a will, there's a way, and where there's a vandal, you damn well better believe it's going in here. Oh, shut up. All of this is off my broke head. This is all from one person. Boom. That's what called there. I've also got dogs are in there going mental. Boom. Yes, please. Just take the drawer right there. See what's crack-lacking. Do not break my blinking window. Oh, what is that? Door open somewhere. Skip here. Pretty empty. Just don't break my window, please. That's a good score, you know. It's not massively heavy, but you know, it's something to top the pig up with. Good times. Towards. Well, that's breakfast done. Can't beat a couple of chicken bakes to start the day, am I right? I don't eat the sausage from or the bacon from places like this. I only go to there's a local farm shop, a butcher's. If I'm going to eat sausages and that's where I get them from. That way I know for sure that they're not from human. Let's go scrapping, shall we? A few bits here before, so I got that round boiler from the other day. I had no idea how to take it apart, so I didn't bother. It's probably why I get so many dislikes on my videos these days. But it's a good job I don't care, don't I? I'm just having fun. Building work. I've got an oven there and all where that car is and that truck. Well, I'm just going to go straight to the scrapyard now. I'm a bit worried about my rear window with that cooker. That's all I need. So if there's anything on the way, I'll be sure to let you know. But the next stop is the scrapyard. Which way are we? You won't believe this, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see at least 5 complete boilers, complete whole, just chucked on there. What a disgrace. Don't roll back on me. Rolling, 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 rolling. The brakes. Private jokes, playing on. Oh, that I think. Cut it. We'll pop that. What did it weigh? What did it pay? It weighed 180 kilograms, £110 a tonne, I know. And the final sum of £19.80 for all that, plus an oven. Wasn't much, but done a bit of networking, got talking to a couple of good guys. Might have some roofing work coming out the back of it as well, so that's pretty good. Plus, I've now got £20 of fuel. I need to put some fuel in, but I mean, plus what did I do yesterday? 130 something pounds? Plus another 20 bucks. There's my fuel for the weekend, and yeah, good times. But I'm going to snake my way home. If there's anything on the way, I'll pick it up. But as you can tell, there's two boilers in here. One of them's got a cast iron core, whatever it is, and I'll kid you not, it weighs about 100 kilos. You think them combi boilers there are heavy? That one underneath it, flipping heck, that is a two-man job. I've got all this copper pipe to go through, I've got all this cardboard to get rid of, and a few cords to cut, another detritus. See that bucket of cords? All that came off what I just thrown out. Crazy. There's a flipping good few kilo of cord there. So I think that's it for this one. As you can tell, I've got so much stuff. I've got copper in here, we've got copper down here, we've got cords, we've got cables. Oh, we've got two boilers to scrap out. We have a multitude of copper bits and pieces and aluminium and electric motors. Yeah, it's all go. And it's a flipping mess. So I'm going to snake my way home. If I see anything, I'll let you know. But if not, I don't know when I'll see you next. Probably go out. I might go out tonight. I'm definitely going out in the morning. Oh yeah, no, I'm not going out tonight. I'm going to clean this van up and I'm going to get it ready for Sunday morning. That's the plan. Right. So until then, be cool, be kind, or try to be. And I'll see you all next time on Vandal Vlogs. Yeah.